The 5GDC project at Clyde Gateway is about 5th generation district heating and cooling. And what we're looking to do is to deliver an ambient loop, as we call it, to the Magenta site and to decentralise the energy demand for individual buildings. So the wastewater treatment work sits within the Clyde Gateway area, and we are drawing off of the heat off of the wastewater treatment works. We draw off of the effluent within the wastewater treatment works, so essentially dirty water on one side of the system. We then have a heat pump to take that water off. We have a heat exchanger, so dirty water on one side, clean water on the other. And it's that clean water, which then has heat and temperature within it, that we then distribute across to the Magenta site. And we do that through plastic pipework, so much easier to install than steel insulated pipe. And it allows us to pass it from the energy centre through the route that we've determined, and then that will then pass across the river, and then we will deliver an energy centre. So within the energy centre, what we will have within there is heat pumps. So heat pumps are highly efficient. And with the heat pump, what we can do is we can bring in that lower ambient temperature water that we've produced. We bring it into the heat pump, and then we use a heat pump to boost the temperature of that water. And then that allows us to heat the building. And equally, we can reverse it and use it to chill the water down and then to cool the building. So that's the benefit of having the ambient loop and having the temperature of that system. I think people are going to be really surprised at what we're delivering here at Clyde Gateway with this particular type of project. I think for people who are involved, particularly in the development of workplaces, then this type of system is going to be really interesting. You know, I think people are much more conscious now about energy demand, energy usage and energy cost. And I think when they can see a system like this, how flexible and adaptable it can potentially be, the benefits that it can have for occupiers, then I think the market's really going to sit up and take notice.